Gentlemen, welcome back to another live stream. This is your Captain SCV speaking. I hope you guys are having a fucking phenomenal day over here. For those of you guys filtering into the live stream right now, make sure you slap the literal living shit out of the like button. That would mean a whole lot to me because it costs you nothing, but it helps me out a whole lot over here getting some more people onto these streams. The amount of people that have been helped by by a lot of you sorry, I got distracted. But team, how we doing? How we doing, team? How we doing? Everybody having a good day? Again, make sure you guys hit that like on the way in. We do have a little bit of housekeeping to get through before we kind of get into the charts and see exactly what we need to going into the end of the day here. Remember, everybody has access to 2 weeks for free on the Trade 1348 platform. Make sure that you guys take advantage of that before the prices go up soon. Make sure you lock in your price right now. Because it's not going to stay this way forever. And we offer you guys literally the keys to the kingdom. You see it every single day with the traffic lights, Invictus, everything. And again, for all of you guys in here right now that do want to upgrade to the lifetime payment plan or the 3-year version in which you are going to get live masterclasses and beta access to all the new products that we're going to be releasing. Sorry. In the near future. Make sure you reach out to Diana before the end of the day, and she will help you with your upgrade. So we are seeing a little bit of a run on the SPY going into close here. What were we saying on the previous stream that we were looking at? Most likely, we were going to see this thing come down to around 411.50 and then rally back up because we're in this little chop zone here. I would not be surprised if we sold off that 10 cents to that 412.50 and then chopped around until potentially a big move going in later in the day. Right now, with the premiums on the SPY going into CPI, I don't really like them very much, so I'm not going to really be looking to trade a whole lot of it. But let's see here, man. Let's see here. All right, guys, you're slacking on the like button as usual. You slackers over here. We got how many people in here? Like 85. We got 20 something likes. That's nonsense. You guys are better than this, bro. You guys are better than this. Let's see. The SPY is drunk. Dude, we have CPI tomorrow. Just let the thing do what it wants to do. We'll make some more money tomorrow and the next days. Easy. Keep it simple, team. Keep it simple. Hit the like button, freeloaders. Thank you, Live Wisdom. I appreciate that, pal. I appreciate that, buddy. Let's see. Yeah, so CPI data is going to be coming out tomorrow at 8:30. Let's see what else we got here. What else do we have? Dun dun. All right, let's see. Who we got in here? Tell me where the playground is. No, I'm not telling you where the playground is, winning loser. I'm not telling any of you guys that where the playground is. The playground is my sanctum. But it makes no sense. Why doesn't it make any sense, Matthew? Why does this move not make any sense? It makes perfect sense. But also, it doesn't have to make sense. We're just reading the chart at the end of the day anyway. What did we say in the morning stream? After you broke this 410.50 with some momentum after this consolidation, I was like, it's probably going to be one of those days where it just runs. You have and are killing the short videos. Keep it up. Tim Jr., I appreciate that, buddy. Yeah, dude, those Instagram videos are popping off. I appreciate you guys. We're fucking taking over on Instagram. I kind of want to really blow up that Instagram account. That'll be fun. You guys here can go over and follow me. That's fine if you guys want to do that. I mean, we're cranking over there, though. We got a lot of cool short videos over there. Hopefully, you guys are learning some stuff and getting some good tips. You guys can follow me on TikTok, too. Either way. But thank you, guys. I appreciate that, man. You and Gabe? Yeah, dude, we're trying. Those are fun. I love the short form videos. They're really fun. Volume's pumping, is it? It's stepping up a little bit here. I mean, people are buying this thing up. Well, let's get Tesla over here because we were answering a question about that. So Tesla flatlined. Nothing too crazy, man. Next week's schedule looks choppy too. Yeah. I mean, what do we have? I mean, what do we have towards the end of this week? I mean, we get jobs report, retail sales, CPI. Next week. Well, I want next week, though. See, this thing isn't fucking updating. It's being an asshole to me. All right, well, we'll see. Hi, SCV. Thanks to you and Gabe in the 1348 team. I've learned a lot from the previous 1348 strategy. Traded Tesla today and applied what I learned and made 2% on my portfolio in 8 minutes. Sam N., you absolute monster, man. Guys, I'm telling you right now, this is the best place to come and learn how to trade. You are never going to see anything like this ever again. We are going to continue making this whole platform that we've built for you guys the absolute best it can possibly be. It is right now, but we're going to continue adding these couple of different things that I'm going to start working on soon that are just going to be absolute game changers for you guys. So again, make sure you're getting your 2 weeks for free, and reach out to Diana if you want to upgrade to the lifetime payment plan or the 3-year. Jay Powell speaks next week? On what though? Where is he speaking? Microsoft printed a monster today. Need to learn to look at different tickers than SPY. No, Ryan. Because here's the problem, and this is going to sound harsh, but it's the truth. Even if you were to look at different tickers, you would do the same exact thing that you do with the SPY. And I'm actually making a short video basically aimed at people like you. And this isn't a bad thing. Like, I'm not saying this in a bad way. It's just you need to stop being so timid. Like, I don't know how we're going to get you over this, but you have to stop being so timid. You can't be in there thinking, oh, like I can't do it. No. If you predefine your risk before you enter the trade, that's mainly what it is. You know what the worst case scenario is. Who cares if you lose? Because if that predefined risk amount is too much for you, size it down. Then the risk is perfect. Yeah, but dude, I have so many of these short form videos just like in backlog on my phone. I probably have like 10 of them just like ready to go for you guys. I've got one coming out on YouTube today. We got a lot of fun stuff happening. You got it at 1043 at 193.46. When the chart broke the 48 EMA, got out when it showed weakness, reached the 200 EMA, MACD showing weakness. Let's see. Lost 30K? Wait, how did you lose 30K and also make 2% on your portfolio in 8 minutes? This is making no sense. Sam, you're confuzzling me. Oh, you're saying in general in the market you lost 30K and you're before? Yeah, dude. I mean, so many people were losing so much money before 1348, man. I mean, we are going to continue helping you guys out. Let's do it. I mean, congratulations to all you guys that have been joining. If you guys have any questions. Oh, also guys, for all of you new members too that are in here right now and anybody that's lurking, tonight is the new member live stream. So every Monday nights we do those new member live streams for you guys to catch you up to speed. So I mean, make sure you hop in for there. You get 2 weeks for free. You get the member live streams. You get the traffic, everything, dude. So let's see what the SPY wants to do here, but it's just trickling around. It's just trickling around. You're kind of like Ryan, but the lights and having a hard stop has really helped me. My confidence is growing daily. Dude, that is the best thing that you can have. Because when I see a trade and I know exactly where my risk is going to be, I'm slapping it every single time if it looks good. Doesn't matter what it is. I mean, it does matter what it is. Like, it's not, I'm not going to trade a fucking penny stock. But again, it's that confidence to enter trades, dude. It's having, oh man, I can't. Dude, that's like the final key for some of you guys. You want to see a VWAP test so bad? Where is VWAP? Oh, dude, I mean, it's only a $2 move. I mean, I hate to say that it's only a $2 move because you can make a bunch of money on that, but not with the premium, not with the way the premiums are like today. All right, slackers, keep hitting that like button on the way in. Let's get after it, dude. Now I learned not to FOMO and trade with the charts. Today is 1 for 1. I will try it again tomorrow. Sam, fucking beast. Get FOMO out of your system, guys. You just sell between 3 and 7%. Can't do that, Ryan. Can't do that. Unless you have like an 80% win rate, you can't do that. Oh, on losses. That's fine. That's fine as long as your entries are good. I was going to say, if you're taking winners there, I mean, I'm trying to scale out depending on the day. Like, I'll scale out between like 6 and 15 is usually my first scale out. Depends on what stock I'm trading. Depends on what it is. Like on the SPY today, if I was trading SPY and I saw it go up 6%, I'm scaling out just because of the way the premiums are. Because you would need a larger move anyway to get up there. So there's a little bit of context that you need to know, but it's not too complicated. Let's see. Last week, your win rate was 79%. Okay, Ryan, but did you make money last week? Can you explain what may / should happen if CPI is good, if it comes in bad? Yeah, if you see CPI come in hot, I mean, the market's gonna sell off. If you see CPI come in lower than expected, then it's probably gonna come up. 2.6%. That's fucking great, Ryan. I love that. That's great, dude. But again, here's the thing, DC fan for life. I can go through all the possible scenarios of what could happen on CPI with you guys, but think about it like this. When CPI comes out How much time do you think is going to be in between the actual report comes out and the move? Maybe a couple milliseconds or a couple seconds. And then you have to think about what time of the day it is. Well, then it's pre-market. You can't do anything anyway. If you're trying to ask me about swing trades, what do you think I'm going to say going into a binary event? I feel like that's kind of what some people are saying. They're trying to get me to like predict what's going to actually happen on CPI. I don't know if that's what you're trying to do. I don't think it is. But we're not here to try and predict fucking CPI. If we could do that and predict like what these actual numbers were going to be, and then also be right on what the direction the market wanted to go, we'd be billionaires. So what you have to think about is what you're doing in the market every single day is you're not trying to predict. Stop trying to predict things in the market, please. You're going to get like completely fucked over. You have to be reactive, not predictive. And in terms of being reactive, you have to look at the market in terms of good risk reward opportunities, not how much money can I make right now. Any single time that I'm entering a trade, I'm predefining what I can lose. That's what I do. I don't care how much I win because I don't know. The only thing that I can control is how much I lose on a trade. I can't control really how much I make because the method will sometimes give you a trade and it's only going to go up 10%, or sometimes it's going to go up 10,000, depending on what it is. But you have to put yourself in the positions to hit those types of trades with good risk reward and make sure that you're not like you can't focus on the winners as much, guys. That's not what we're here to do. The only thing that you can really control in the market is yourself and what you preset your risk at. That's it. Everything else is just nonsense. The method is going to tell you like where the good risk reward probability setup is. It is then up to you to predefine your risk, manage it appropriately, and then see what happens. That's really what it is. Is there an instrument to bet on CPI numbers? Yeah, it's called the S&P 500 option chain. Like, SB, don't be mad. I just blew a funded account by being an idiot, over trading and over leveraging. For now, I'm engraving know your risk into my heart. Alex, I'm not mad at you. Like, if you guys fuck up and do something stupid and you blow an account, I'm not mad at you. I just like, I'll be disappointed because I sit here every single day and I'm like, hey guys, don't do dumb shit with your accounts. I'll be like, well, that sucks. Because see, here's the thing. If you then go do something really stupid after you've been on my live streams, it makes me feel bad because like, okay, let's do a little running poll in the chat. Do you guys think that I say enough? Manage your risk appropriately. Don't do anything stupid. Don't over leverage and don't trade dip. Do you think I say those things enough or do I have to say it more? Because it's almost a reflection of me now, Alex, that you've gone and done something dumb. But here's the thing. I know it's not, because I know that everybody knows at the end of the day, that was just me being a shithead, but everybody knows at the end of the day what they should do, but that doesn't mean that they do it. You all know that you should probably go to the gym every day. Do you do it? I don't fucking know. Maybe you do, maybe you don't. There are a lot of things that you guys all know that you should do, but it doesn't mean that you actually do it. That's exactly what managing risk is. If you're an emotional person and you're going to go on tilt, I mean, you're probably not going to have success in the market, man. As just to be honest, I'm not saying, Alex, that you can't have success, but what I am saying is that you need to learn from this experience. I posted that video yesterday about blowing up accounts. We've all done it. We've all done it. What you have to do is learn from those mistakes and say, okay, what did I do that was really fucking dumb that I'm not going to then do again? Probably over leveraging and hope. Now, what do I say a lot of on these streams, these videos, everything? One of the main reasons why when you guys over leverage, you fuck things up so bad is because when you see a position go down 5 or 10%, that dollar amount loss freaks you the fuck out. And you're like, oh no, I don't want to eat this loss. But if you just size down and that, let's say the $200 loss, 10% or whatever it is, now becomes 50, you're like, whatever, I don't care about the $50. It's just a losing trade. Over time, I know that if I act in this way consistently, that it will play out like you're basically, if you think about it in terms of like gambling, you're in a positive EV situation, positive expected value. So you have to take that step back and learn from this mistake. If you don't, then you're just going to do it again. Please be careful. Like, I'm not mad at you. It's just like, you gotta figure it the fuck out. I think more people than not have blown up an account. It's a valuable lesson. Yeah, but you have to learn from it. Trying to get rich quick. Yeah, you're not going to get rich quick in this market. Unless you get lucky, but like it's not repeatable. Where exactly to enter a trade? Okay. This is the problem, Christopher. There is no one good place to enter a trade. Like it depends on this. Like, let's say that I wanted to get this traffic light rejection here. This move right here is the perfect place to play the rejection or the potential retest. But is it a good, like, does the trade play out? No. So if I told you something like this, like, oh yeah, this is the spot to enter a trade, you'd be like, SV, what the fuck is wrong with you? It just rallied up. But like, this is the spot that you want to be getting in. If you want to play this rim down and the rejection back to the downside, that's the spot right there, not chasing these candles. Because then you can eliminate your loss right here, like on the next traffic light, and you're down what? Nothing? You've never blown up? I mean, technically, neither have I. If we're being technical, like, because when people say they blow up accounts, it's almost like people like do it in a day. Mine wasn't in a day. It was over time. It was over like a couple months where I just was like being a dumbass. But that was years ago. You have to learn from those mistakes. If you don't, you're just bound to repeat them. Is that when you buy in the money calls and puts? No. Just started the master classes today. Nice. Yeah, everybody's done it. Like, it's very rare that somebody hasn't done it. But like, if you guys go on my Instagram, I have a whole video breaking this down right now. We talked about this yesterday. Isn't blowing up mean going to zero? I mean, not necessarily. Like, mine went from I went from like 2K to 13K, then back down to like 500. I actually ended up running that 500 back up, but I was doing the same thing that I was doing when I went from 2 to 13 back down to 5. Like, it didn't, like, I didn't learn my lesson until like I fucked around and found out a little bit more. We don't take L's here, we learn. No, it's fine. Like, you can see, the thing is that the most interesting thing is that a lot of you guys in here, when you fuck up bad, you know exactly what you did, because there's nothing in the strategy, the system, anything that would cause you to just go bing dead. Like, it just doesn't, it's impossible. All right, guys, keep smacking smacking that like button on the way in. Helps out a whole lot with the algos, man. I do appreciate what you do for us, though. It's very helpful. Christopher, thank you, buddy. Yeah, make sure that you guys are coming to the master classes too. Those are filthy. We take those a step further. We go a little bit more in detail where we can. And I've got some real gems coming up for you guys this weekend. Let's see. What do we got here? Is this? Where's my other? Nice. Found it. Yeah, bro. And when I was like, when I blew up the 13 grand, I didn't have the 13 grand to lose. That was like a lot. Dude, when I was trading that and I ran that account from 2 to 13 grand, I was like on top of the world. But remember, I'm young now. Okay, this is the other thing that you guys have to realize as well. Why do you think that, like, when I come in here, you guys were like, wow, you have such like knowledge, like, for your age, like, how are you able to do this? It's like, well, it's not necessarily like an age thing. It's just I've been doing this for a while. If you guys started like looking at markets and trading this stuff for years, you'd have it too. It's just experience. That's all it is. It's not like me being 23, I'm some sort of special whatever. I'm not. I've just been doing it for a long enough time to be like, okay, this is where most people fuck things up. And if I frame it in this way, it's easier for you guys to understand. That's all it is. Yeah, this traffic light was filthy. I didn't get this one. I was trying to not trade the morning. Which, again, like, me missing some of this, I don't really give a shit because I know most days this won't happen. Ooh, we're 30 likes away from 100. Thank you guys. I appreciate that. And yeah, make sure that you guys are hopping in for your 2-week free trials. If you want more of this, like in depth in the videos, the actual strategy, the tools that we're using, everybody gets it for 2 weeks for free. And you get the new member live stream tonight. Let me actually, so it's pinned at the top of the comments or the live chat over here, but I will throw it in here for you guys again. I wish I knew what I know now a year ago and started a year ago. It's leaps and bounds, but something only experience gets. Yeah, I mean, you're going to feel like that either way. Like if you learned this, so here's the deal. If you learned, let's say at the end of 2020, like what we're doing now, you'd be like, oh my God, I wish I knew this 6 months ago. If you learn now, you're going to be like, oh my God, I wish I learned this 6 months ago. It's never going to stop. Like you could wait a year and then you're going to look back at the charts and be like, oh, fuck, I wish I learned. It's constant. You're always going to wish you learned sooner, which is why I keep saying to you guys, it's like, get your ass in there. Like you're going to look back and be like, God, I was such a fucking dumbass that I didn't start doing this sooner. Again, nothing is going to change about your current situation unless you take action. You've gotten 38 people to click the link, but no takers yet. Still trying. AR guy. You'll get there, buddy. Don't worry. Yeah, he's talking about the affiliate program. So, I mean, if you guys come over here, you guys can see right here. You guys can become an affiliate, become an ambassador right there, and you guys will be good to go. But yeah, keep smacking that like button on the way in. Helps get these streams out to more people, team. We're going to be, what do you call it? I think we're in for a very interesting 2023 with what I've seen so far. We might have a lot of new faces coming in here soon. You guys are going to have lots of brothers and sisters. I once punched the wall when a trade went against me because I put 3/4 of my port in it. That's not good. That's emotional. There's no affiliate for lifers, correct? At the current time, I don't think so. Like for lifetime memberships, there shouldn't be. I'd have to look at it again though, because we talked about this weekend, I think, or last week. There was something that we were looking at. We were like, yeah, we can't really do that. Lake Huron, close to home. Is that near me? All right, guys. Let's see what we got today. Wait. Oh, these are the predictive dailies. I got confused. Red light runners. That's interesting. I mean, I don't really see. Ooh, Pinduo Duo. Fuck. Why does CPI have to be tomorrow? I'll play some fucking China stocks. I love those. Yeah. How do we get the new stuff coming out on Lifetime? Is that an add-on? What do you mean? Lifetimers. So we're going to create some special one-off things for the Lifetimers to have, like the 3 years and everything like that. But when we release new things, the Lifetimers and the 3-year people get access to it just 2 weeks before everybody else. So they get to play with the new toys before everybody. And then you get master classes and things like that. And then any of the other stuff that we want to bring you guys as well. But Spy's just look at this. Back to 412.50. These motherfuckers. EIX is going to cross up, but in 9 bars, and it's already above. EIX. That's weird. Algo. Can you check this one? Wait, 65. Yeah, Algo. Can you check this one? Anyone else close to 1 million? I think there are a few. Yeah, so that one looks like a glitch in the matrix. Any good swings I'm looking at this week? I'll decide after CPI. I ditched one of my swings for a loss today, which is fine. The other swings that I've had are just so filthy that I can, and they're sized down, so it doesn't matter. But it was the Wells Fargo one. Sold that. I think I sold that one for minus 19%. But remember, the deltas were 100. I thought you said something about lifetime only stuff, but I didn't know if it was included in the lifetime payments or not. No. So you guys get the delayed master classes with that, but you don't get beta access. On the 3-year version, you do. You get pretty much everything on the 3-year. So remember, if you guys want to upgrade to any of those lifetime payment plans or the 3-year, reach out to Diana before 4 and we'll get you on there. Bro, I made a decent trade on the SPY from this morning when it was at 407, closed it at 412, all down to the 1348 strategy. Sanjay, you fucking monster. I love that, bro. That one I wish I took, but it is what it is, man. You can't hit them all. You guys have seen me hit some absolutely filthy trades here. I'm not going to hit all of them. Yeah, I'll wait for swings till after CPI and just kind of see. You guys have been killing it recently, man. I love seeing you guys win. Hold on. What do we got here on? Let's see. What do we got? I hate this price action. Just to be clear, I fucking hate. Well, not this. This is fine. The morning was cool. This shit in the afternoon, bullshit. Bait and switch, bait and switch, bait and switch. I don't like those. That's why I haven't taken much of them. I think I played this. What time is this? No, maybe this was the one I did that I got stopped out on quick. That's a 2-minute. Hold on, where's this on the one? I think it was this one. Yeah, it was this one. This was a minus 2% loss. Like, CPI is 8:30 a.m. Eastern tomorrow. We should do an end of the year gains list for the 1348 group. Oh, we can. Don't be mad. We're on different time frames. As I woke up, all indicators were lit up like a Christmas tree. Get in. Best part was no emotions. No, that's good. I'm not mad at all. I'm happy that you hit it. I just didn't like it because I'm actually trying to stay away, like not trade like the first 30 minutes. Not necessarily like the first 30, but like the first 15. Just because it wicks around so much. Like you're not going to see it respect these EMAs as much until you get like later in the day. But I do have some gems for you guys coming in this masterclass, which is going to be really fun. I can't wait to share this with you guys. I just need like a couple more days to like test this stuff out and like figure out the language that I want to use to teach it out, but it's going to be nasty. Gonna be nasty, dude. You guys are getting all the best tools. You're welcome. Kirby says more Congress object briefings expected as soon as today. Guys, I still think it's hilarious that one of the first places that potential aliens went to was Cumtown. These aliens are trying to fuck, bro. These aliens are ready to clap. They're like, oh, what's the first place that we're going to go in the world? We're going to definitely go to the United States because apparently everybody fucking revolves around the United States. I don't know why, but that's where everything always starts to show up. And then they're also going to go to Cumtown. Am I a Rocky fan? Of course I am. I don't know why I sing it all the time. It's just fun. It's just fun to do. Like, seriously, bro. It literally makes me think that Elon actually knows the aliens. And Elon is an alien. What the hell are you talking about? Dude, they literally went to Cumtown. It's in like Arkansas or something. Like one of the things was shot down and it fell in Cumtown. Like, come on, bro. We're literally living in a fucking meme. This is crazy behavior. Greatest country on earth? I mean, true, but like, where are the aliens going to pull up to? Like, why do they always have to come here? Balloons? They probably are balloons. It's just funny. It's a good joke, Ryan, okay? Let me make my damn joke about Cumtown. The last few down were confirmed not balloons. Interesting. No. Hold on. I'll show you where the address is. Oh, it's Alaska. Hold on. Maybe it's not a real place. Hold on. I think there's one in New York. Maybe it's not a real place. Still a funny joke. Let's see. All right, we're not gonna be talking about aliens for the entire day. Okay, how about the market does something? And so, dude, I swear it's like these afternoon streams recently. The price action's just been boring me to tears. It's like, what? Do something. Also, you guys are slacking on the like button again. Slackers. There's missing clowns now. The company that nuked Ohio. I saw that too. That's pretty wild. All right. SPY new highs. Well, really close to new highs. Yeah, and all you affiliates that are going in there, let me know once you fill out that little affiliate application, and I'll go approve you guys, and you are free to go make some money. It's a joke. Okay, well, new highs on the SPY. There we go, dude. I am tired for some reason. Last night I couldn't fall asleep, but I was asleep, and I woke up, and it was 2, and I was like, this is bullshit, and then it kept happening, and I was like, this sucks. This is not what we need to be doing right now. All right. 1 minute RSI is getting hot. I'm sorry. As soon as I get stopped out, it's going to knife. Why are you in puts? Why are you in puts? 14% on a SPY call and out. Nice little 1 minute traffic light there from what? 412.47. Nice. 2 for 2. Attaboy. So you can name your own town. Oh, that's interesting. I didn't know that. Can't wait to see what your recommendations look like after searching for Cumtown. Fuck, buddy. You're right. I literally just have on my screen right now Cumtown. Over here. That's cool. It's all right, man. There's a lot worse things that could pop up on my computer, like a virus or some shit, or a picture of your wife. Sorry. I had to do it. I had to. It was right there. Sorry, buddy. I apologize. It's boring in the afternoon. I had to make a wife joke. It just had to be done. Hey, yo. Let's see what else we got here. Investors seem to roll back bets on a 2023 pivot. Oh, no fucking shit, huh? Oh, guess the 23-year-old kid is right that they're not going to fucking pivot. Who knew? Who would have thought? The track record that I've shown you guys so far on this macro stuff, who would have thought that I was right about no pivot? Sorry, buddy. I had to do it. Yes, I'm sorry. All right, guys, we're 13 likes away from 100. Who's going to be lucky number 100? I appreciate you guys. If this afternoon stream gets 200 likes, I'll be very happy with ourselves and you guys. That'll help out a whole lot. SPY, what do you want to do here? What are you going to do? You going to fuck around and find out? Or are you just going to slowly melt around going into CPI for apparently no reason? I'm guessing a lot of the institutional money after that report came out just kind of sold off everything on last Thursday and then just started to slowly buy it back up here going into CPI, which is really strange, but it is what it is. Dude, I need more coffee in my system. You know what this would be a great time for? Cocaine. Guys, I'm tired. Sorry. Traders Anonymous, I don't give a fuck. I don't care. Let's see. Fucking knew it. I knew you guys were gonna like that one. Oh, where's Arvind? He's got to clip that one. Catch you guys tomorrow. Later, Eli. All right. Fucking knew it. I know, buddy. I know. You're just trying to get me to lose my fucking mind and go on a rant about how Adam Aaron has, like, Adam Aaron and the retail investor base just completely fucked it up. Not so much Adam Aaron. Now, yes. Before, no. Before it was retail that fucked it up. Now it's more so Adam Aaron. But whatever. I thought him and Gabe both had colds. I don't have a cold. I might. I don't know. I could. Who knows? I don't really care, though, usually. I just kind of, like, suck it up and eat the pebbles. Just stating the obvious on the chart? Oh, okay. Kirby says, I don't think the American people need to be worried about aliens, period. Don't say that ever again, Vix. Don't say what? Don't say what? The cocaine thing? Let's see. Yeah, we're slipping a little bit here, but it's just like I literally don't want to put any money into this market now to scalp it to the downside. I just don't give a fuck. Like, I don't care. It's you've already seen the move today. Unless it's gonna really knife. I mean, maybe, but I suck it up and eat the pebbles. Oh, the pebbles thing? Nah, you guys don't know about the pebbles. You guys, you don't know about the pebbles, bro. Don't even get me started on how good these pebbles are. I mean, that's an interesting move at this point in the day. Just saying. How the hell is Spy still up there? I don't know, bro. They're really trying to rally this fucking thing for CPI. Let's see what they want to do with this fucking thing now. VWAP, that would be aggressive. That's aggressive. Where is it now? 410.64. Oh boy. There's no way they give me this. Dude, this thing is just Chop City. Flicker, flicker, flicker on the spy. How's the 2-minute look? That's interesting. All right, bye. What are we going to get here? What do you want to do? Let's see. Have a look at Airbnb. Look at that setup. What time frame? Classic 1348. What time frame, Sanjay? Yeah, I know. Only got a traffic light. Yeah, I know. I know. I'll talk to Algo about that one. Yeah, Sanjay, what time frame are you looking at there, pal? That's not the right coffee cup. Is this a pump before CPI tomorrow, then a dump? It could be. I don't know. I mean, you're at some pretty elevated levels right here on the SPY. I would not be surprised if you saw it sell a little. But who knows? Who freaking knows, you know? 5 minute? Okay, let's take a look. That's not classic 1348. Come on. I mean, that's classic reverse. I am on the 5 minute. Unless that's a 1 minute. This is the 5 minute right here. Airbnb. This is not classic 1348. This is classic reversal potentially, but not classic 1348. If the CPI is expected, I expect the market to run a little. When is CPI this week? Tomorrow at 8:30 in the morning. Also, guys, if you wouldn't mind hitting that like button on the way in over here, helps out a whole lot with the algos. We're 2 likes away from 100. Thank you, guys. I appreciate that. You're slipping a little bit here, but this is just a little baby slip. If this thing can slip below 412 and make its way to this 1 minute 200, yeah, that could get interesting. But look at this 2 minute. The 2 minutes going to give you one too. But the problem is you're right at the 2 minute 48. So you're just waiting on this thing to do whatever the fuck it wants to do. Puts on Airbnb, it looks like. Well, I mean, this looks like textbook reversal, but if you look at this on the 1 minute, you probably have a traffic light. Yep, back here. You look at this on the 2 minute, you should have one as well. Yep, back here. You look at this on the 3 minute, you might. Yeah, you do. Just not on the 5, I don't think. Yeah, not yet on the 5. And a bounce right off the 2 minute 48 there. So let's see if this thing wants to sell through or not. What if it's as expected and they revise it down? No, they revise it up. They revise CPI up. All right, you might get a little slippity slip here. I don't know. All right, guys, I gotta run to the bathroom for like 2 seconds. I will be right back. Hit that like button on the way in, and then let me throw this is perfect timing. I mean, again, remember we have the new member live stream tonight to onboard a bunch of you new people. Here's the link to the Trade 1348 platform. Make sure that you guys check that out. If you guys want to upgrade, just shoot a message to Diana, and she will help you out with that. But I gotta go to the bathroom for like 2 seconds. It's not gonna take me very long. Oh, sorry. My bad. All right, guys. Keep smacking that like button on the way in. Let's see if we can break that 412. That's kind of all we're looking at here. See if we can get that swoop right back down. How much time's left on this 1 minute candle? 5 seconds. Cool. Cool. Did I wash my hands? Yes. And I'm not doing cocaine in the bathroom. Like, that's not what, dude. It's no. I don't do cocaine ever. 0 times in my life have I ever done cocaine. And 0 times in my life will I. Cocaine is for fucking losers. If you have a cocaine addiction, I just think you're a loser. Don't do drugs, kids. And you guys talking about cocaine? Hey, man, it happens. Let's see. You're looking at this potential break of 412. If it does, you're looking at 411.87 and then 411.50 is really what you're looking at. If it really wants to get going, I mean, you might see the cuck zone, but I wouldn't highly doubt it. It's just like, you never know. It's way oversold, which is weird because it's not that far from the high. Like, it's really not. Let's see here. What do we want to get? You just like the smell of it? No, that means you're a degenerate, is what that means. You're going to retest here. Let's see what it wants to do. Dude, I made these breakfast burritos this weekend, and it's literally like fast track to having diabetes. Fun fact. They're really fucking good. To test the Coke for poison? Oh, God, dude. Relax with that, please. This thing's just moving pretty slow. I mean, you're not seeing much. You got this little retest here off this level. The RSI was cooked. Now it's coming back. Let's see. Yeah, you're looking at a rim on the 1 minute here. Let's see what this thing wants to do. Nothing too crazy. What did I have for lunch? 6 eggs. That's what I had for lunch. It keeps fucking around at this 2-minute 48 all day long. How are they cooked? I mean, they're like fried eggs, but they're like, I make them like sort of soft. And I don't know, man. I don't know. I just cook the damn eggs. Let's see. When did I start trading? When I was like 18. But I was learning about like the stock market and things like that since I was 14. At a pretty high level too. Like I just didn't start until later. But like when I started, it wasn't like I had to learn what options were. I already fucking knew. Like I knew pretty much all of what you needed to know by the time I was 15. Like there were some things that I would fuck up, but like I knew pretty much what you needed to know by the time I was 15 years old. All right, Spy. What are we gonna get here? You gonna get that little cascade push down below 412? Or are you gonna fuck around at this level here? The damn 2-minute 48's being a real asshole today. Honestly, man, I don't know what the deal is with Meet Kevin at this point, but I disagree with a lot of his macro now. Like usually it like made sense to me, but like after the CPI revisions and like Powell State, I just don't agree. Which is fine. I mean, no hate against the guy. I just don't agree with his outlook, which is fine. I mean, it's kind of what the market's for. Pista instead of a Lambo though. His Lambo, what did he have? A Countach in there? Well, no, he had a what? Was it a Testarossa or a 355? It was white, I think. Yeah, you've only got like an hour and a half left in the day. I don't know if they want to leave this thing at 4:12. Who knows though? A real 50th anniversary Countach? That's pretty sick. Dude, I was looking the other day just for fun, and like Murcielagos are like fucking expensive. Can you explain why orders don't fill at the limit price when I set options at that price? Because there's no buyer. You're basically in an auction. Like you're like, I'm willing to pay this, and somebody's like, well, I'm willing to sell it at this. Let's see. All right, guys, keep smacking that like on the way in. Let's see. Spy, what are you going to do here, bro? It looks like it wants to get the move. I just, who knows? What's this? The 2-minute 13s, 4:12:39. Was at Victoria Gardens yesterday. Saw a nice green Lambo Huracan parked. Took a few pics of the interior in the car. It's a house on wheels. Yeah, I mean, it's just not for me. I don't know. I like Ferraris better. I like Astons. I love Aventadors and like that type of stuff, but I'm not a Huracan fan. There's so many of them. Like I think I saw one outside my window the other day. I was like, oh, cool. Why are you driving that in fucking Boston? Like, no, but they're sweet cars. Like they're fucking sick. And who am I to say I can't buy one? So they're doing better than me. What happens if UVXY hits 0? It won't. Don't worry. It won't. Let's see. This thing is really holding on here. I want to see it break 412. Like I would love to see it cascade through 412 and see what happens after that if it really wants a knife, but it looks like the buyers want to step this thing up a little bit. We'll see. GT2 RS. Yeah, you can get GT3s for decent prices now too, I think. Not like the new ones, but come on, Spy, do it. Bring us death candles. Daniel, I honestly am not. I'm not considering any swings with CPI tomorrow. So any swings that I'm going to be looking at are probably towards the end of the day tomorrow after we get the full reaction from CPI. That's what I'm looking at. GT2 is the race car. Oh, is it? Oh, I've never seen that. Oh, is it? Oh, I didn't know that. I'm not a Porsche guy. Like I don't really know like Ferraris. I know pretty much all of them. Porsches, I don't. All right, Spot. What are we gonna get? Like, give us a little Cascade. Like a little. Give us something, bro. I walk everywhere. I take Ubers. Like, I don't need to drive anywhere. Set stops after entry so the trade nice, you get stopped out of profit. Yes, that's what the stop loss strategy is. Ferrari per sangue is the way to go. Jason, I no longer like you. That car is a fucking abomination. I hate it. I hate that they've done that. They talk all that nonsense about like, oh, you can't do this with our cars. We're like a classic brand. You made a fucking SUV, assholes. Shut the fuck up. You're just devaluing your brand. I hate at the exotic SUVs. The Urus, I hate it. Fucking Audi. That's just me though. If you can buy one, more power to you. Like your money. I just personally hate it. Pull an image up? No, it makes me vomit. I hate them with a passion. I hate them more than people that like try to steal 150 grand from me. Nice. Scalped. I'm gonna let this motherfucker go. It's a Ford or a card on an SUV. Either way, I still hate it. I hated the FF too. Like, I really hated the FF. I hate that car. It's got a fucking trunk. No. It hurts my soul. Everything about it just makes me want to puke. But I mean, again, like, here's the thing. I can't buy one right now. So, like, if that's what you want to buy, go for it. Like, I don't care. Like, I'm not gonna walk up to somebody and be like, your car is fucking stupid. Like, that would just make me look like a fucking idiot. Like, they could just be like, oh, what color is yours? And I'd be like, well, I don't have one. And then I would just look like a shithead. It's a hatchback. No, it literally has a trunk. I hate them. Because in my mind, it's like, if you're going to spend that type of money on a car, it's like, why are you getting a fucking SUV? It makes no sense. All right, we're approaching 412, but let's see. Actually, here's what I'm going to do on this thing here. I mean, it's not. Let's throw this on the 1 minute. So I played this. I mean, I'm up nothing here, like 4%. I scaled out a little just because of the way that these premiums are moving. I don't like it. I don't know if we're going to get that cascade down below 412. I might throw a stop at like break even and just let the thing go. That's probably what I'll do. Yeah, might as well. Yep, fuck it. Can't lose on the trade. Scalp it a little bit. Nothing crazy. The SUVs are unreal. Toyota would make me the most unreal sale. Yeah, it's just like, dude, I hate them. Like, whenever they all started to do it, like, I hated the Porsche one when the Cayenne came out. I was like, this is bullshit. The only one that I like is the Maserati one, just because I like the Trident because it looks cool. Other than that, I just think they look stupid, and it's just a waste. And they're all like trying to basically devalue their own brands by making fucking SUVs. Get out of here. That's stupid. That's not what you do. But let's see if SPY's going to break this 412 here. Land Cruiser. That's fine. We had a Land Cruiser for a while. I like those. Yeah, there's the slip of, okay, so here's the slip, but you're looking at this 1 minute 200. If you break the 1 minute 200, Spaghetti-O, this market could be selling off hard. It easily could just bounce off of here, though. Be careful. That's why I just have a stop at break even. I literally made fucking zero on this trade. It doesn't matter to me. I'm just like, I'm literally just playing around now. So bounce up base. What's this? 411.91. What's the low on this candle? 411.97. Okay. Well, we'll see. Like, I want to see big nights. Like, just boom, death. That would be fun. But like, I don't like. This is what I want you guys to get to as well. I mean, do you guys see how relaxed I am when I'm in this trade? I scaled out. I have a stop in profit slightly. It can do whatever it wants now, and I've still made a little bit of money on the trade. I don't care. SPY 409 was today. It was at 409 before. It was at 408. So, yep. So there's the 1 minute 200 test. And these contracts are only up like 6.5%, 7%. They're not really moving. I need like a big move to make this even worth it. That's why I'm like, I don't really care. I'm just like seeing how these move. There's a traffic light on the slide 5 minute, but so slow, not worth it to me. Yeah, the problem is that the move was, see, right back. The move was on the 1 minute, that you have to get less time so that the contracts actually move, but then you're taking on more risk if theta then comes and gets you. And if you play the 5 minute one, you have to get more time on it, but then you may not actually get the move. You might get like 50 cents of a move and your contracts are going to be up 5%. And it's like, well, the risk reward there makes no sense. Can it crack down through and run back down to the cuck zone at 410? Yes. That's kind of what I'm looking at here. And that's why I'm in this one. Where I'm, all right, now I'm up 8%. That's not bad. We're getting slipped. That's fine. I'm going to move the stop up a little bit if this candle closes below in 10 seconds. So here's what I want you guys to look at. This is just strategy here. This is all this is. If this candle closes down below, I'll move the stop up. If it doesn't, I'll leave it there. I still don't care because I cannot lose on this trade. It's impossible. So retesting the 200, yeah, it's fine. I'll move the stop up there. That's cool. Just a little bit. Let's see. All right, guys, keep smacking that like on the way in if you guys haven't already. I mean, the next level I'm looking at, 411.50. Well, 411.63 on the 1 minute. Up 9% on this one. Cool. Cool. Now they're up almost 10. It's fine. Tyler, what's up, buddy? How you doing? Do you guys see how easy it is with this 1 minute, though? Scale out, throw a stop, risk-free. Let the fucking thing go. Ends up flat on the day. That'd be insane. If SPY made a move to flat on the day, I would make a bunch of money, but I'm not shooting for that. Like, I'm literally just going to play it as it comes. Slowly move the stop up as we continue to march down. If it gets hit, cool. I'm done. When did I enter? On this retest, I think. Or yeah, I think I entered on this retest of the 13. So like what? 412.50, right around there. Right around 412.50. For quick scalps, so I use market orders? No. Is the CPI report out? No, it's tomorrow at 8:30. Well, technically, I do use market orders when I'm using the stop loss strategy, but like, it's not like I'm not like actually clicking market order. 4.53% on the day. Good shit, Marky Mark. Yeah, the only thing that I would market order to is like SPY, like if I were to actually do it, but this is interesting. How's this look on the 2? So this is kind of what I was looking at here too. What were we looking at on the 2 minute? Well, the 2 minute started to look good before the 1 minute even flashed. So you get they were both looking good. So you see this flash, the retest, it comes right back down. That's fine. If this breaks 411.70, you might slip a little here. How'd you get stopped out, Tyler? Like here? Yeah, I'm up like 9.4. My free swings are still up 24%. I don't really give a shit about that. I've already made money on that trade. Just free money at this point. Yeah, we're slipping a little here. Let's see. Are these up above 10 now? Yeah, these are up over 10%. That's not bad. Let's see if we get our slip here. So this is the 2 minute. So now I'm looking to see if it wants to break 411.63 and run to the 2 minute 200. So I'm literally just moving through the time frames. The 2 minute is not something that I don't think a lot of people use the 2 minute. I love it though. And we're going to go through this in the masterclass with you guys next Sunday because this is filthy. So 11% on these. I'll move a stop a little. So my stop is now at the previous scale out. Oh, here we go. Here, now I'm up 14 on these. So do you guys see how simple we make this for you guys? Traffic light, manage the risk, and I'm risk-free on this trade now. This is actually going to go, this stop's going to go higher now. Unless there's a wild fuck you candle back to the upside, I am chilling on this. Boom. Ended last week at 6% for the week. Consistently making goals. I'm so pumped every single day, but laser focused. Fuck yeah, Marky Mark. Yeah, guys, again, remember, 2 weeks for free. You want to change your life? There you go. You enter and close your phone? No. Well, I mean, my phone's off now because my stop is in profit. I don't care. If I want to move it, I'll just open it back up and then be good to go. But I think the stop now is at like 6% profit, something like that. I don't care. I'm not looking for a giant move, like a giant hit on this. If it does it, great. But again, it's all about putting yourself in those high probability setups, which is what we've done here. Simple, guys. Keep it simple. I'd love to see it at break 411. I don't know if we're going to be able to do it, though. This has been a pretty big move. The 2 minutes cooked. Who knows? But like you enter trades on your phone, not your computer. Yes. Yeah, I'm in puts right now. I've scaled out. I have a stop and profit. I can't lose. So that's the 411.50 test that we were looking at. So let's see what happens here. It would be very interesting if we got a sell off to the cuck zone, which is 410. Do you think CPI will go up or down? No clue, and I don't really care. See that fucking 411.50. What's my stop at? Yeah, if it hits there, I don't really give a shit. We were cooked to the upside all morning, so I can see how it could be cooked all sour hour. Yeah, it could. I mean, this could easily retest this. Is this probably retesting the 1 minute right now? Yeah. Honestly, the beauty of these contracts today is they're not moving that much. Like, I think I still got a little bit of room on this. They might get me here. Are they going to come and get me? Are they going to run the anti-STV algo? Are they going to do it today? Because they do this a lot to me. I mean, I don't really care at this point in the day, but like, because I could back the stop off a little here. It didn't hit. I'm still in it. Yeah, they're going to get me on this one. Unless this thing sharks, they're getting me. Yeah, they just took it. That's fine. Easy scalp. Easy scalp. Took a nice profit from that drop. Yeah, guys, you see how easy it is? Keep it simple. We just siphon money out of the market all the time. It's so simple. Don't be fucking around making things too complicated. Would I be upset if they finish this at the cuck zone? Ladies and gentlemen, we got them. Yeah, they did get me here, which is fine. I don't care. That's easy. Oh, fuck you. Don't. These motherfuckers. I should have just played it traffic light to track because I was going to back off the stop like 5 cents because they do this a lot. You guys see me do this all the time where like I'll get stopped out and then it, like in profit and then it goes crazy. Profits, bro. When you win, think you taking money from institutions? Well, I don't care. I have nothing against institutions. Like, not unless they're actually doing something fucked up. If they're just a normal institution, I don't care. They can do whatever the fuck they want. They provide. Here's the other thing too. You got to think about it like this. Institutional money does fund a lot of like growth of a lot of really good companies in the United States. Where do you think all the money comes from? Like for these companies to raise money most of the time. It's not fucking retail. It's institutional money that's pulled together from high net worth individuals. So like if they're an institution that's just investing smart in markets, I have no problem with them. If they're going to fuck around, it's like, hey, why do you got to be an asshole like that? So that's probably my last trade for the day. There's really not much I really want to fuck around with too much at this point, but that was a fun one. That hopefully, so do you guys have any questions on that one? Because I like, and this is a really great example of method, mindset, money management on this trade here. Because when I'm in this trade, I'm not like, oh my God, I'm trying to hit it for 10%. Or sorry, that was dumb. Like when I'm in this trade right here, I'm not looking for it to just go 100% and I make a fuckload of money in one trade. I don't care. I'm looking for a winning trade, which can be either me making money or managing my risk really well so that I don't lose. This trade right here was perfect. I just rode this down, stopped out here. Okay, cool. Retest. You want to come back down? Fine with me. I'm already out. I already sucked my money out of the market. It's mine now. It's out of the market. It's back into the cash balance. If it were to continue to drop like that and I kept moving my stop, I would have made more money. It's fine. If it wants to knife now, it can go. I don't care. You have to be very, very relaxed. Why this traffic light, not the previous yellow light? This one? I don't know. I just didn't take it. I don't know. Wait, hold on. I gotta put the screen back up. I just didn't want it. The 2 minute wasn't looking as good. Oops, that's the 3. Like this was the 2 minute. This was where we were getting into the 1 minute. This looked better. You handled that horribly. Well, Chris, learn from that and move on to the next one, which will probably be tomorrow. So now you're testing that 411.50 again, which we've seen a lot of today. We saw it here. We saw it here. We saw it here. We saw it here. We saw a lot of it. So this might be where it stop and it just kind of fucks around going into close. I don't think that's going to happen. I think we're going to see something pretty fun. But that's it for me. I mean, I'll just take that gain and be done. It's simple. Traffic lights for the win. Slow and steady wins the race. If you're going to be in this market trying to hit home runs every single day, why don't you just send me a bunch of super chats and donate the money anyway? I'll spend it better than you will. Seriously, do not try and get rich in a day. You odds are 99% of the time it's not happening. But what will happen? If you over leverage yourself, bye-bye money. And you didn't even get anything from it. You just get to feel like a dumbass. Like, yeah. Here we go with a little slip. What's this low? 411. What's this? 37? Yeah, watch that level. Like, guys, a lot of the time I'm just scalping. Like, I'm not trying to hit big gains ever. It just happens. Like, $0 days or tomorrow's? Tomorrow's. I rarely play 0 days unless I like decide to just have a little fun. So there's that retest and a slip. They ran the anti-SCV algo. Perfectly fine. That's the one thing that I got to fix a little bit too is like, I mean, this thing could have easily just broken back up and ran. But I don't want to be in the habit of like setting a stop and then moving it lower. You know, like I would have rather it just come close to the stop, not hit it, and then continue. That just wasn't what happened here, which is fine. It's okay. But you are seeing this really nice traffic light move down. And again, like I always say, if you aren't trading with the traffic lights, I don't know what the fuck is wrong with you at this point, dude. So again, here's the link down below. Get your 2 weeks for free. And any of you guys that do want to upgrade to the lifetime payment plan or the 3-year plan where you get the master classes live and access to all the new you get beta access to all the new products that we're going to be releasing to you guys. Reach out to Diana before 4 p.m. So you've got about an hour and 15 minutes if you want to upgrade. But again, for all you new members coming in, we do have the new member live stream coming out for you guys tonight at around 8 or 8:30, depending on when we can send that link to you guys. But that's when it's going to be. We'll get you guys all caught up to speed on some of the basics. We'll talk about the market a little bit, some 1-minute stuff. And then we'll send you on your way and we'll get ready for CPI tomorrow. So again, guys, make sure that you guys hop in there. Do you take Chipotle coupons? I'll take your Chipotle coupons, but if you just are going to try to use that on platform, that's not going to work very well. You're the smartest 23-year-old I know. There's smarter 23-year-olds than me. Like, way smarter. I'm just better than them at execution at certain things. That's really all it is. And I just am consistent at what I do. Like you could be consistent or no, you could be really smart, but like if you're just going to sit around and not do anything, it doesn't matter. It's not practical to be that smart. Oh, I know who this is. Frank, I don't want to see it. Frank, don't fucking do it. Oh, Frank. Frank and I have such a strange relationship where he just sends me Chipotle coupons in my Instagram or Twitter DMs that just are not Chipotle coupons at all. They're just not. And Frank, I don't know why you're sharing these with me. I don't know if the other person involved is okay with this. I'm gonna assume yes. But I cracked the code on who FTWNF is. It's Frank. Let's see. Well, I knew it. I knew it was you, bro. All right, so you're just rimming here. You got the retest of 411.50. That's interesting that it held off below. Is it a burrito and a speedo? No, it's actually not bad at all. Like you can send it to me. Like you can. It's fine. Like it's not like weird. Well, like it's fine, I guess. It's just strange. It's if I told you guys what it was, you'd be like, "This is kind of weird." Frank, can I tell him what it is? Or no? Keep it in the zoo. Because I feel like I'm not supposed to say what it is. But if you say it's good to go, I'll let them know what the Chipotle coupon is. Sure? Okay, it's pictures of Frank's girlfriend. It's pictures of Frank's girlfriend. It's just weird. He'll be like, "Oh, Chipotle coupon," and I'll be like, "Okay," and I'll be like, "That's not a Chipotle coupon." It's just a strange, it's just a strange dynamic. Does she work at Chipotle? No, she doesn't. All right, here we go. Let's see if we're gonna make this slow walk down. It's not very aggressive. Yeah, she's pretty attractive and like also half his age. Like I don't know why he's sending me it though. Like I'm proud of you, buddy. Like Frank, don't get me wrong. I'm proud of you. I just think it's a little bit weird that you're sending that to like the kid on YouTube. Like it's cool and all. Like you don't have to stop, but like it's just very strange. Like not in like a bad way. It's just strange. Like I don't know how else to phrase it. Like if I was in your situation, I wouldn't be doing that. Like what kind of pictures? You know exactly what I'm talking about. Tyler, you can't see them. You're a child. We had some boring date, dude. I know we did. The OG late nights were fun. Those were always a good time. All right, new recent lows on the SPY here, 411.20. So again, look at this. I mean, again, I would have made probably 25 to 30% or maybe even 40% on this move here if the premiums weren't so fucked up today. So like I'm cool with the gains that I had on it. Nice little quick scalp, but it would have been way better if they didn't decide to just jack the premiums on everybody into CPI, which I mean, I did expect them to do. It's just like, come on, guys, let the boys have fun. Let the boys play. Don't make us overpay and then not have the damn fucking contracts move. Like that's just silly. When does the sign up for that mailing list happen? Oh no, this is where you actually have to go, Pepe. And for everybody else in there, it's the 2-week free trial to the Trade 3048 platform. There it is right there. Tyler, don't say damn. This is not okay. Do you realize that people could get arrested if they ever sent those to you? Like, come on, bro. You're a minor. Like, just relax, bro. So, let's see. You guys are funny. Yeah, this is just really slow movement here. I mean, if you guys played that, you're still in it. You've had some scale out points. I mean, this thing easily could work its way down to 410. I would not be surprised if it did. But that's kind of what we're looking at here. Just a slow walk down to 410. That's all we're looking at. Got to break VWAP. Oh, yeah. What is that? 410.60? 410.72. Ooh, where's Chris? Oh, wait. Chris, was it you or Daniel that was saying VWAP? You're just playing, kinda? Tyler, you can't be trying to get people arrested. Like, Frank's a cool guy. Don't send him to jail. Like, your family had a BMW dealership? Oh, that's pretty cool. You guys must have been cranking, bro. It was me, too late now. Yeah, that's okay. Chris, actually, where did you enter, bro? I don't know how'd you get stopped out of this? Like, there really was no spot on the 1 minute to get stopped out at. Unless you bottom ticked it here and played dailies. That's the only way that I could see you got stopped out. Like, I don't, what'd you do? You just sold it quick? You were like, fuck it, I don't like it? Not me, them. Fair enough. Fair enough. Oh, don't you guys worry too. I've got some gems coming out for you guys on the short form this week. I have so many of them and I love posting them so much. I just want to release them all, but like you can't do that. So I've got I think 7 of them ready to go for you guys. Oh, spy. Hold your horses here. Did they just bait and switch? Are they bait and switching this right now? Hold on. All right, guys, we're also 25 likes away from 150. Please run that like button up. Cost you nothing to do it. Thank you guys for those of you guys who've done that already. I will be here all week hanging out with you guys, It's just what we do around here, man. Imagine this thing just reverses to day high. And you're literally just caught in the 411.50 to 413 range. That would be so funny. They just cuck everybody on both sides going into the end of the day. Not me, though. I used the stop loss strategy and made money. Thank you. Do all members get the new starter link? Yeah. Like the new member live streams? Yeah. It's just the Monday night live streams. They're just more geared towards all the new members. So again, let me throw that link in here for you guys again. Yeah, so here's the link to the 2-week free trial. Make sure that you guys take advantage of that. And everybody that wants to upgrade, make sure you reach out to Diana before the end of the day. Oh, yeah. And let me know when you guys fill out that affiliate application. I'll go in there and approve you guys. Dude, are they actually going to fucking do this on the spy right now? That would be so funny. Can y'all do it at 8:30 p.m.? I'd rather do it at 8, so we'd probably do it at 8. But it depends on what Gabe's schedule is like. It just gets late, bro. Like, Mondays are long, bro. Mondays get long. Remember, we used to do them on Sundays too, but now we do the master classes with you guys during the day, which is nice. Bro, 3 of you hit the like button. That's fucking sad. You guys, I'm disappointed in all of you right now. You guys definitely don't want to see ankles. I appreciate the walkthrough of the stop loss strategy. That was really helpful and to understand how to do it live. Yeah, I mean, I want to make sure that you guys understand what I'm doing. It's like, well, if it closes below this level, I'll move it a little bit because it can always flash, come right back, and I don't want to set the stop and then it gets fucking hit. So if you played traffic light to traffic light here, you're out. That's if you're following that strategy with traffic light to traffic light, that was the exit point. So good for you guys that hit that. And how long does the 2-week free trial ask for? Bardistas, I know you're joking, but we actually get questions like that. Like, how long does the 2-week free trial last for? It's 2 weeks. Like, some of you guys, I'm worried about you. Some of you guys, I'm not worried about at all. I know you were going to get those millionaire interviews with you guys soon, but some of you guys, ooh, then it sharked. I don't know, man. This is just bullshit now. Yeah, now it confirmed. So we'll see what happens here. You definitely want some end of the day SPY puts for protection into tomorrow. Why the fuck are you swinging into CPI? Oh my lord. Oh my god. You guys are going to learn. You guys are going to learn. Be careful. You're playing with fire. You know what I'm holding into CPI? My free puts from the Delta trade. That's it. That just killed me. I know. How do I withdraw from my paper account? I don't know. Nice little 18.7% SPY traffic light to traffic light, 1.65% on the port. See ya. There you go. 242 days for Thomas. Yeah, guys. I don't know because I have no downside protection right now. What are you protecting against though? Why are you swinging? Downside protection on what though? Well, like what? Like what are you protecting? If CPI is terrible and you're cash, you don't care. You gotta have downside protection, damn man. No, you don't. I don't have to have shit. I'm literally going into, well, I mean, I'm holding the free contracts, but those are because they're free. Like, I'm not gonna hedge my free contracts because then I'm technically weighted to the upside because the free contracts are effectively a nothing burger. Like, always learning, always saving. What are you protecting? Do you have like long swings? And then if the answer to that question is yes, I would say then why? Oh, Sanjay, you've been around long enough. We had a whole conversation one day about somebody legitimately asking how can they withdraw money from their paper account. And I almost jumped out my window. I was this close to literally trying to jump out a window, but first slamming my face into the desk. It's a paper trade account. It's fucking fake. Well, I'm not cash. What are you in though? Like this is why. Here's the thing. Why are you in long swings? Why? Going into a binary event like this. What's the point? If you then come out and say, I'm just gambling on it and I'm sizing appropriately, all you have to say, like I can't say anything to that. Are you 100% cash right now with 0 longs? No, with my long-term portfolio, I don't give a fuck though. It's going to do what it's going to do over time. I'm not going to hedge my long-term portfolio. I don't give a shit. Like, what's the point of that? It's one day. It could tank, come right back up, and then you're at the same spot that you started. Like, if you're going to gamble on it, that's fine, but you better size it appropriately. If you're just like, oh, I have call swings that I'm in, I might as well hedge them, I think that's dumb. But again, it's your money. I'm just trying to like help you out and think about the logic that you're in. Like, I just don't understand. If you're trying to hedge a long-term portfolio, that doesn't make any sense. That really doesn't make any sense. Because you're not like, it's not like you're going to sell your long-term tomorrow if it goes up. And if you are, that's not really your long-term. That's just long swings. So then I guess, yes, like it still doesn't make any sense. You have to have a plan, stick to it. I'm just just rolling around. Sorry, subject. Told myself I was only going to take spot at the downside because I missed the morning rip. Still down 1.3. Tyler. I get what you're saying. It makes sense. Yeah, I'm just like, because you have to view your long term and your trading account is separate. They're not one and the same. It's almost like you're a different like it's different. I literally view my long term as just money that's there. And it's good. Like okay. If the amount of money in the long term right now is pretty significant. It's pretty good. I'm not going to try to hedge it because here's the thing. When am I looking to sell the long term? I don't even know. Years. I'm just buying and holding stuff for the long term. I don't care. I'm just throwing money in it. Thank you. I'm not trying to hedge it. If I were to hedge it, I would then hedge it in the long term, not in a trading account. The trading account is for trades. The long-term account is for investing. It's very different. Speaking of swings, got an invite to a swingers party when I was DJing once. I was 26, and they were at least as old as my mom. Yeah, I didn't go. Bardistas? That's very interesting. What's in your long term? A lot of AMD. I still think the long term is still like 22% weighted AMD, which is bad. That's got to change. I've Dix in there. I've got a bunch of Facebook. I've got some railroads, I think. I've got, what else is in there? Any energy stocks? I think so. I think I have some energy ETFs. I'd have to look because I haven't done this in a while. I just leave it there. And then if I wanted, like, I should recap it. The problem is I probably won't end up recapping it fully. I'll just like slowly trim down some stuff and then put it into other stocks. You like Micron for the long term? That's not a bad idea. I mean, there's a lot of really good stocks for the long term. Oh my God, guys. It's 3:02. Guys, we went a little overboard today, huh? Holy shit. I didn't even know. I was having too much fun with you guys. All right, folks. So this is going to be wrapping up the live stream for today. I didn't even realize that we went on for this long. That was fun. That was a good time. So guys, make sure that you're hopping in for your 2-week free trial to the Trade 1348 platform before I go. It's probably going to be the best decision that you ever make in terms of trading, investing in 2023. And maybe in the future as well. I mean, the results that we've shown you guys every single day are ridiculous. Again, you have 58 minutes. The countdown, the clock is starting to reach out to Diana. In order to upgrade to either the lifetime payment plan or the 3-year. The 3-year is going to get you into the live masterclass next Sunday. The lifetime payment plan is going to get you in 2. It gives you it in 2 Sundays. So you get delayed masterclass. So team, that's going to wrap it up for today. Another fucking great day over here. Be on the lookout on Instagram, TikTok. There's already a video on TikTok for you guys today. There's going to be another one over there. There's a YouTube one going out at 4. There's 1 or 2 Instagram ones coming out. But again, when you guys see those Instagram ones, I think they're very helpful to a lot of you guys, especially the one that I'm posting today. So make sure you guys are on the lookout for that one. Just drop a like, helps it out a little bit. We've been really cranking on Instagram, so make sure that you guys are over there. We're taking over, man. I'm going fucking nuts. So team, I will see you guys later. 1348 gang wins again as usual. Other than that, guys, have a great rest of your day. I'll see you this evening in the beginner stream.